everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Beetroot is a vegetable we can all rely on for our good skin, hair and health. But I know many people who do not show interest in consuming it due to its dull taste. So today, for all such people, I'm going to show a wonderful chapati recipe with beetroot. This way, you all can increase your intake of the vegetable and enjoy the maximum benefits out of it. So now let's get started and check out how to make these nice and yummy beetroot chapatis. I have all the ingredients for the beetroot chapati here. First, we're going to make a beetroot paste. For this, to the mixer jar, add about 4 green chillies cut up, a piece of ginger chopped. Next, add 1 large beetroot finely grated. Pour a little bit of water and grind everything to a nice fine paste. Transfer the beetroot paste to another bowl and keep this aside. To make the dough to a large bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of wheat flour, that is atta. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of fine chili flakes. I've already made a video on how to make your own chili flakes at home. I've given the link in the description, do check it out. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 2 teaspoons of Kasuri Methi and 1 teaspoon of Carom Seeds, that is ajwain. Mix everything together. Now transfer the ground beetroot paste to the flour and mix everything well till you get a nice malleable dough. As you can see, I have not added any water. All the moisture has come from the beetroot paste. Knead the dough for 5 minutes till it's nice and soft. Just add a few drops of oil and just rub it all over the dough. Close the bowl and let this sit for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see the dough is nice and soft. Divide the dough into equal sized dough balls. Let's start baking the beetroot chapatis. Dust the rolling surface with a little flour. Place the dough ball. Now gently start rolling it out. You can roll it out into nice thin chapatis. To make it into a nice perfect circle, I'm using the lid of a tin to cut the chapatis and remove the excess. Make all the chapatis in this manner and keep them aside. Heat a tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, place the rolled out beetroot roti onto the tawa. Cook on one side for about 15 seconds and flip it to the other side. Gently press it on the sides. You can see the bubbles appearing. Quickly flip it to the other side. Once the roti is cooked, add a little bit of ghee. I'm just adding a few drops. If you prefer oil, you can add that also. I usually like ghee for my rotis and parathas, so I add it. Make sure to flip the roti at intervals. You don't want to keep it on one side for too long. This is delicious and soft beetroot chapati is ready. Make sure you make all the chapatis in this manner and enjoy them nice and hot. I'm serving it with some nice curd and pickle by the side. You can enjoy it with any side dish of your choice. I'll give you a couple of links to the other parathas and chapati recipes that I've made earlier. Do check them out. So you can see how easy and simple it is to make these beetroot chapatis. Now you can make this for lunch or dinner and also pack it for your lunch boxes. You can enjoy it nice and hot with any gravy of your choice. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.